Alright, now that the oil pan and gasket is off, I can loosen the 8 bolts holding this shroud in. Remove that shroud and it should expose the caps to my connecting rods. The bolts for this cover, this oil separator, are 10 millimeter. Now that that interior pan is off, I have access to all my connecting rod bolts. So starting with cylinder 1, I'm going to be turning the crank using an 18 millimeter socket and ratchet and taking the connecting rod bolts off to crack the caps and get the pistons out. I noticed that there's some metal in my oil uptake tube, so hopefully that's just from the piston rings obliterating and I don't have an additional problem. Big chunk of metal there, holy crap. Also have to get this cleaned out before I put everything back together, so I'm gonna have to take it off. On cylinder 4 I had a spun bearing right here. It's seized on this side, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but look how thick that side is versus this side. It's considerably thinner. And then when I pulled out cylinder 1, it didn't even have a bearing, which I ended up finding all over my oil pickup tube. If you see a bunch of scoring like this, you'll want to go ahead and just replace the bearing